agriculture stakeholders are calling for a national Eat Local Day in Trinidad and Tobago. The day is commemorated to show respect for the blood, sweat and tears of the local producers to provide food to the tables of many. For the 2019 edition, the Faculty of Food and Agriculture at UWI partnered with the Tableland Pineapple Farmers Association, the 4-H Leaders Council and the Felicity Charleville Fishing Association to host the event.
Eat Local Day has been celebrated for 8 years informally, but agricultural economist Omardath Maharaj believes the time has come for this to change so that the nation as a whole will be on board through a national Eat Local Day. On Wednesday, the guests of honor at the 2019 Eat Local Day were the 372 school children, seen sampling and learning all about local foods, as agricultural economist Omardath Maharaj explained.
And they were, of course, here in a sort of holistic education environment. Not only to actually eat or directly consume food, but all the awareness and education that goes with this package. We had a range of volunteers across civil society partnering, especially farmers. The meats that were consumed here were provided at the university. It showcases the entrepreneurial activity of the field station, even the dairy the milk that went into producing breadfruit ice cream.
The theme for 2019 was celebrating our entrepreneurial potential. And Mr. Maharaj hoped that through it, agriculture would be seen as empowerment and education as freedom.
Eat Local Day has a very basic principle. It says that all of us must know where our food comes from, how it is produced, and only that way we can learn to appreciate the circumstances of the men and women who work to feed us.
He said it's important to educate the population on what it takes to feed 1.4 million people.
Often can you say that your plate is full of purely local food? It's a victory for your health that the Faculty of Food and Agriculture at UWI hopes you'll experience more often. The faculty held an Eat Local Day at the University Field Station in Valsayn. There were culinary displays in action, from dasheen bush being doused in fresh coconut milk to a pre-made salt and seasoning mix to make tasty fruit chow.
To encourage children to eat more fruit, because you can use it on any type of fruit and it enhances the flavor of the fruit.
Students from secondary and primary schools were invited to the event, where they were told about the 6 Caribbean food groups. One student from Astor Girls College in Charleville shared her thoughts on the benefits of eating local.
Plenty things are processed and artificial. Yes, I think we should eat more locally.
The event gave local food entrepreneurs a chance to showcase their skills. The admission price, well, local fruit donations.